It's no secret that creators are driving not only traffic, but sales to some of the biggest retailers in the world. And as those retailers lean in to partner more closely with LTK, your shoppers are getting the benefit. I'm excited to announce that app users will now get a new feature that we call price drops. Whenever they save a product and the price decreases, they'll get a notification that that product is now on sale. This is in partnership with a number of retailers on the LTK platform, some of the biggest brands in the world. So your shoppers can expect to get price drop notifications from the likes of Gap, Forever 21, Saks Fifth Avenue, Luisa Via Roma. It's more important than ever that your shoppers have downloaded the app and are following you there, because only app users will get this new feature. So be sure that you're educating not only just to check out your content on LTK, but to check it out on the app and to be sure to use favorites so that they can get these new features. I've shared this with you before, but we're making sure that once you get your shopper to the app, that the LTK app is doing the work for you to bring confidence to the purchase, to retarget that customer, and ultimately convert the sale. And price drops are just one more thing that help us do that.